How to fix Google Meet loading takes long time on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, open Play Store and make sure your Google Meet is updated, and now go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here type Meet and click on it. Now click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache and clear data. You will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And that's it. Then give it all of those permissions here. Give it all of those, just click on it and click allow, and then make sure draw over other apps is allowed. And that's it for today's video. Now restart your phone and try again, and don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.